Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a gorgeous gallery wall using dollar store picture frames. I'm obsessed with dollar store picture frames, and every room in my home, that's what I use to decorate the walls. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorite gallery walls and how you can create gorgeous art for your walls on like the craziest shoestring budget ever. The first thing you want to do obviously is pick the color of the frame. So for Izzy's room here, I chose white. For the living room, I chose black. And don't be afraid to paint the mats so they can pick up your accent color and really make them look even more high-end. Next, I use green painter's tape. This is like the secret to hanging things on the wall. You hang the green painter's tape, you level it so that you can just add your nails right to the painter's tape. It's very minimal measuring for people who don't have math brains like me, and it means that you don't have to level each picture. Hammer some nails in, peel off the paint, and hang your pictures. Now let's talk about putting art in the frames. Family photos are awesome, but don't be afraid to find some gorgeous artwork online that you can print off. I found these images for Izzy from Etsy. Izzy is an uber nerd. She's 12. She wanted this room to feel more, I guess, grown up, but she loves Star Wars and Stranger Things and Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. And I was able to find these beautiful watercolor art pieces on Etsy on a shoestring budget. You're supporting the artist, you're getting great original artwork, and you can do a whole wall like this for under $30. If you're on a crazy small budget, or you don't mind being a terrible human being like me, go ahead and search for images on Google Images. That's where I found the artwork for Abby's room and for Milo's room. I didn't pay for it. That makes me a bad person, but it is an option. If you want to be a good, decent person though, go to Etsy.com and find some gorgeous artwork. My last tip is to consider using 3M Velcro picture hanging strips. They're tough. They will hold things on. Make sure that you dust your wall first so they don't come crashing down. But this gives you the option of, if you're renting and you can't add nails, or you're just afraid you're not sure what you want it to look like because you're a perfectionist, you can rearrange it without putting permanent damage in your walls. So what are you waiting for? Head to the dollar store, pick out some frames, and create some beautiful, budget-friendly art for your walls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for more dollar store decor tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you'd like me to make some more just like this. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm asking for some advice because I'm having a face issue. Usually, my skin is so oily I could fry an egg on my forehead. It's been a struggle my whole life, but this last week or two, it's the Sierra Desert on my face. And not only that, but my skin is literally peeling off like I have a horrible sunburn. And yesterday, no, the day before yesterday, I had like hives, a hive thing. And now I feel like an old lady. My face is tight and it hurts and it's peeling, and I take videos of my face for a living, so I'm kind of a little stressed about it. Not that I'm vain. I am so not a vain person. But I would like my skin to stop flaking off at the dinner table. So if you guys have some advice, listen, for now, I've tried every lotion. It's not working. It's not absorbing. I've tried coconut oil. I've tried all the freaking things. But maybe you guys have some amazing product or a reason of why my face is fighting to leave my body right now. It's what I feel like it's doing. It's trying to make a hasty exit. For those of you who want to comment that this is a natural part of old age, I do get it, but it's like it's been a spontaneous face problem. So it sort of literally happened overnight. So I went from like greasy oil slick to like a mummified thing. So please put in the comments below, help me out, man. This is the one time that I am actually asking for your unsolicited advice. Put in the comments below what I should slather on my face to help me, and I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated on the face debacle. See you guys next time.